Why do students continue to demand milk tea even if it's not necessary? So the answer is milk tea has become a part of students' everyday routine due to its taste, relative affordability, and the influence of social media. So it means it has transitioned from a want to perceive need.
Question number 2. What non-price factors influence milk tea consumption? Our answer is non-price factors include brand reputation, ingredient quality, the ability to customize sweetness and toppings, and the use of fresh milk or flavor fruits and allowance size. So this is how often purchase the drink. And for question number 3, draw a demand curve to show uh, what happens when the price of milk tea increases. Our answer is when the price of milk tea increases, the quantity demanded decreases, resulting in a upward movement along the demand curve.
Partly, consumer's choice. How does the concept of utility explain why students are willing to spend on milk tea? Answer. Students are willing to spend on milk tea because they derive satisfaction, utility from its consumption. They perceive utility outweighs the cost for many students. Question number 2. If you have 100 pesos as daily allowance, what trade-off would you face between milk tea and other expenses like food or transportation? Answer. With a daily allowance of 100 pesos, trade-offs would involve deciding how much to allocate to milk tea versus essential expenses like food and transportation. Choosing milk tea might mean reducing spending on other.
Part 6. Question number 1. If milk tea prices rise further, what possible substitute might students choose? Answer. Possible substitute include other beverages like fruit juice, coffee, and cheaper alternatives such as iced tea or local snacks. So question number 2. How does social media affect student consumption of milk tea? Answer. Social media influences student consumption of milk tea by shaping customer habits, creating trends, and promote brands and flavors.
So for the last question, the question number 3. Do you think the milk tea craze will last for many years? Or what will it eventually decline? Explain it briefly. So our answer is, it is hard to say definitely because the craze might decline as new trade emerge or consumer preferences shift. But however, if milk tea brands continue to innovate and adapt, the craze could persist for many years. Thank you.